So you might be wondering, what can you do with Unity? Unity is an amazing game engine. Indie developers and AAA studios alike are developing all sorts of games with Unity. Deus Ex: The Fall by Infusion Interactive, Assassin's Creed Identity by Ubisoft, and Hearthstone: Heroes of Warcraft by Blizzard were all made in Unity. These games are Unity at its best. The level of detail and customization that's possible allow developers to make unbelievable games. I've compiled a video containing all the top hit games created in Unity, which you can find on my website at gamedevjohn.com. I highly encourage you to check out these games and get inspiration and encouragement to dive into the world of game development. These are just a few examples of what major AAA studios have created with Unity. Now in our course, we'll be creating a 2D Galaxy space shooter where you'll learn the concepts of 2D game development. We'll create cinematic explosion effects using the animation system, and we'll focus on building your problem-solving technique. Following the 2D game will be our 3D first-person shooter, where you'll prototype out your own character controller, create destructible objects, and learn the overall development workflow of Unity 3D.